Hey everybody, Laura Hall here, and you are on the Come Shop With Me show. Excuse me. I am so excited to be bringing this new recipe to you. We're doing holiday sides this month, and today, or this week, tomorrow actually, I'm a day late. I usually do the Come Shop With Me on Wednesday, but I was kind of waiting on me to come all afternoon, so I didn't get a chance to get out. But we are going to be making this incredible, I've been developing the recipe this week. It's just so, I'm looking at the cart and thinking, oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. So we're going to be doing a cauliflower, beautiful, vegan, vegetarian, cauliflower risotto. We're going to make it mushroom, and then I have a little neat twist in it. It's just going to be so yummy. And then we'll make a traditional mushroom risotto, and it's just going to be so full of flavors. So let me turn the camera around and share with you what's in the cart in case you're going to be cooking with me. All right, hang on. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the vegan side. So those of you who are going to be cooking vegan, let's go ahead and start with the mushrooms, because this is really, when I was coming here today, I was hoping that I would find some fresh mushrooms that were really wild, but I didn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to use these mushrooms. I've got 3 different kinds. I've got the chanterelle, I've got some shiitake, they're dried, and I have to, sorry, I had somebody call, I forgot to turn off the interrupt, no interrupt. Anyway, so we're going to have to reconstitute these. So when you reconstitute them, you want to use the flavors that you're going to be cooking with, because you can use those flavors after you do the cooking. You can actually use the runoff, the juice that's left over after you reconstitute them in your actual sauce. So we're going to reconstitute them with our Pacific vegetable broth. This is the vegan side, so we're going to do the vegetable broth, and this is going to be yummy, and we're going to reconstitute them with our Chardonnay. And so we're going to be cooking with the Chardonnay as well, but that's what we're going to be reconstituting these mushrooms with. Now let's say you don't have those available and you don't have fresh. Go ahead and get your favorite white or baby Bella. You can use either one or both. All right, so you're going to want to get some coconut aminos, liquid aminos. I prefer this brand because it's 100% organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, no MSG, and is vegan. The spices you're going to get some ground cumin. Again, make sure you're getting the non-GMO organic. You're going to get some Italian seasoning. I love this one. This is going to give it such a great flavor. Some 7 spice. When you reconstitute the mushrooms, you're going to use a little bit of this as well. And some black pepper. Real easy. All right, you want to get some nutritional yeast. I love this particular Bragg's. It's a great one. You want to get some tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch. Okay, you want to have some organic garlic. Yum. And of course, to make it really beautiful, we're gonna get an organic cauliflower, and we're gonna rice that up. Okay. You look at what I found. This is just going to make it so yummy. All right, they have some field roast vegan sausage. So this is a Mexican chipotle if you like a little spice, or you can do Italian. I'm going to do a mixture of both. And then you're going to get an onion and some shallots. And then you'll want to get some dairy-free Parmesan shredded cheese. You want to get some avocado oil, plant-based butter, and then really, really beautiful coconut milk. You want to get, I like this brand for a couple of different reasons. It has no gums, no thickeners, no additional added anything to that one. I like that brand really well. All right, so now let me move these mushrooms aside. All right, so for the traditional risotto that's really creamy, you're going to want to get some Parmesan, Italian Parmesan. Again, you're going to want to have the onion and garlic that we just talked about, and also the same coconut milk. You're going to get some clarified butter, This is a great brand because it's organic. I love that one. You'll want to get some robust extra virgin olive oil. And you're going to actually use that olive oil on the vegetarian side as well. All right, and then you want to get some hot Italian chicken sausage. Now, if you like Italian sausage, you can, but that's really a distinct flavor, so we're going to use chicken instead. I've got a hot one just for a little bit of spice, and then I have an Italian one that we're going to, a mild Italian, so it's just going to be great. Now, I didn't see any fresh basil, so we're missing some fresh basil, and we're going to need to have that. So we'll reconstitute these mushrooms for this particular one with bone broth, and of course this is my favorite one. It has no salt, so it's unsalted. It's just beautiful bone broth, so it's just really spectacular. Okay, and then you want to get, I like this particular rice because it's non-GMO and it's a vegan brand, gluten-free brand. So arborio rice, and let's see, you're gonna still get that same coconut milk, which I just talked about, and we're gonna use some Chardonnay, and then you're gonna also want to get, we're gonna top it off with some grated lemon. It's just gonna be so delicious. Now, the things that are missing in this cart are some thyme. You want to get some fresh thyme and some fresh basil. So I'm gonna have to pick that up at another store. They didn't have any good ones on the shelf today. So that's the only thing that's missing. And it is just gonna be so spectacular. I can't wait to be cooking this recipe and getting it written out. Here, let me turn the camera around. So it'll be a really excellent meal. And with the sausage, now this will be an optional because it is a holiday meal. You don't necessarily have to have a side that has the sausage in it, but because we are going to be cooking this for dinner, we're going to actually add the sausage. But the sausage is really an optional feature. I think it's going to add some depth of flavoring though. Okay, so if you haven't shared last week's show, get on and share last Friday's show so that you get a chance to be entered to win the meal feed pot. And I'll see you tomorrow in the kitchen. Have a great day, everybody.